हेलो दोस्तों, आज का टॉपिक है नॉलेज ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में एडजेक्टिव्स, एडवर्ब एंड डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन। चलिए अभी देखते हैं वन बाय वन। सम वर्ड्स टेल मोर अबाउट अनदर वर्ड, they are called modifiers. There are two main kinds of modifiers. So one is adjective and one is adverb. Adjectives. So what is adjective? An adjective modifies, tells more about a noun or pronoun. It tells what kind, how many, or which one. Example: beautiful music, blue sky, large room. These all example of adjectives. Adjectives are usually found right before a noun or right after a noun or after a linking verb. Note: some adjectives such as articles, numbers, and possessive adjectives usually come before the noun. So now adverb. So what is adverb? An adverb modifies, tells more about a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It tells how, when, where, or to what extent. So next is comparison and adjectives. So adjectives and adverbs have three forms that shows a greater or lesser degree of characteristics of basic word: the possessive, the comparative, and the superlative. Use the comparative to compare two things. So what are two things? Mary is the more lazy of two. I have tasted creamier cheese than this. James is the shorter of two boys. Use the superlative to compare more than two things. So one is Mary is the laziest girl I know. This is creamiest cheese I have ever tasted. And third one, James is the shortest boy in the class. There are some words to which comparison does not apply, since they already indicate the highest degree of equality. Here are some examples. So immediately, superlative, and first. So let us see the examples. Immediately, some examples here: lost, unique, uniquely, perfectly, correct, preferable, square, totally, which all comes immediately. So superlative, here are some words: very, universally, exact, dead, round, third, infinitely. And next, first: unique, perfect, complete, deadly, perpendicularly, supreme, and immortal. Here, errors to avoid in comparison. So do not combine two superlatives. For example, let us see incorrect word. This is the incorrect word. That was the most bravest thing he ever did. So correct word, that was the bravest thing he ever did. So most, no need to write here. That was the bravest thing he ever did. So next example, incorrect word. He grew up to be the most handsome boy in the town. So what is the correct word? He grew up to be the most handsome boy in the town. So handsomest not required, only handsome is enough. And next example, see here, do not combine two comparatives. For example, incorrect word, Mary was more friendlier than Susan. Correct word, Mary was friendlier than Susan. So here more, not required. Correct word no, more not required. So incorrect word, the puppy was more timider last week. Correct word is the puppy was more timid last week. So now let us see multiple choice questions. Let us see example one by one. Here directions: in the following questions, choose the correct option to fill the blank. So example number one, the girl whom you meet is the dash sister of Ravi. So here are some options: eldest sister of Ravi, elder sister of Ravi, older sister of Ravi, or oldest sister of Ravi. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is eldest sister of Ravi. So next example, the historical place is dash. So what all options? Seeing Worth, Worth seeing, worthy of seeing, worthy seeing. So correct answer is C option, worth seeing. The historical place is worth seeing. Next example, these flowers smell dash. Sweet, more sweetly, sweetly, or most sweetly. So which is the correct answer? These flowers smell sweet. Sweet is the correct one. So next example, dash aspirant cannot pass the UPSC examination. Each aspirant or every aspirant or all aspirant or no aspirant. So which one is the correct answer? So correct answer is every aspirant cannot pass the UPSC examination. So next example, Harivansh Rai dash second Shakespeare. So what all options? Is a second Shakespeare, or is second Shakespeare, is the second Shakespeare, or is another second Shakespeare. So correct answer is Harivansh Rai is a second Shakespeare. Correct answer is A. So next example, dash student in the class got prize. Every student in the class got prize. So next example, it is dash picture than the one we saw last Monday. So it is more interesting picture than the one we saw last Monday. So correct answer is more interesting. She is clever dash. She is clever than her mother. So correct answer is than her mother. So next example, they will get dash. They will get red, comma, green and black paper. They will get red, comma, green and black paper. So correct answer is A, red, comma, green and black paper. Health is dash wealth. So correct answer is health is preferable to wealth. So correct answer is health is preferable to wealth. Preferable to is the correct answer. Next example, dash water that was in the jug evaporated. So correct answer is the little. Correct answer is the little water that was in the jug evaporated. So next example, he has not sung dash songs. He has not sung many songs. The correct answer is many. Next example, Srishti has searched dash office. Correct answer is Srishti had searched the whole office. So next 14th question. K.R. Dheeraj was dash best and the dash famous writer. So correct answer is K.R. Dheeraj was the best and the most famous writer. So correct answer is the, comma, the most. The best and the most. So next example, William Shakespeare is famous as dash. William Shakespeare is famous as a poet and dramatist. So next example, what does dash leader suggest? What does other leader suggest? Correct answer is other leader. So next, he dash money. Correct answer is he have little money. Correct answer is have little. So next example, the dash boys are rewarded. Correct answer is the first two boys are rewarded. So next example, he is dash brave. Correct answer is he is strong and brave. So correct answer is strong and brave. So next example, no sooner said dash. Correct answer is no sooner said than done. Correct answer is then done.